Okay. So like with I guess okay, so with collection, so now I have like now I have like all of this inventory that I've got. I've got like a few books. Oh, did that not add into the should that add into the inventory? Or
Do
this
what?
is like just the inventory is just physical stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So collections, because like that's really the thing that I really want to try and be selling, at this, insane one-time offer, thing, at this Comic-Con, because like I want to tell people I'm like, we are never going to offer the membership this low.
hmm
But what I want them to do is like buy the physical books here and the digital membership. So is that what a collection is?
A collection is just like a group of products that you want to be paired together. So they purchase once and they get both. But if you want them to choose between the two, then you just
Well,
set them up as regular products, and then people
uh,
can go ahead.
well, what I want them to, ideally, super ideal,
hmm
I want people to go to the Comic-Con and be like, you get all three volumes, and then the membership only costs you X. So I can charge him for all that.
Okay.
Okay.
Um, and what is the set price for everything, if that's the case? If this is the bundle you're creating?
Well, I mean, like I want to say it's like all bundled together, it costs that, but what I want to sell it for is like $99
For the bundle itself or just for the membership?
for the bundle itself, the three volumes and the membership.
Okay. I would just create like a specific product for that then. And so they are selecting that and it has everything included.
Okay. So do I create like a new product that has ding 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 ding?
Right. And you in the description you just say this is a bundle of three, you get three physical copies and one access to membership. See you later, Tony. That's basically it. Just so like they know what they're getting. And in the description you just would basically write that exact same thing out. Where
Oh,
you get three
one,
physical
two.
products. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go back and like, tidy all that up.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's like, but
And then
three things are physical, and then there's the digital membership. Oh, it's a bundle.
it's a bundle. Yeah, the bundle itself is not actually there. That's why I say this. So, yes, the one
Ah,
you're looking for. I know what you're looking for.
okay,
The thing is not there. And they
okay.
talked about it briefly at FHL. I don't know when it's going to come out. Who the heck knows?
It's there just to tease you.
Yeah, basically. Yeah, but I would
Uh,
do physical um and then after that you'd have like the membership enrollment process being added to their the workflows on that funnel. But
okay, we're
we'll
gonna circle
we'll do that.
back to that.
Don't worry. Yeah, we can. I think we already
I'm
did the
like,
membership thing to enroll people. I thought we did
yeah,
that first, so you might be good on that already.
yeah,
Basically, when
but
they
yeah, now I
purchase,
just need to
we
take people's money. Okay,
yeah, that's the missing link here is just being able to process, and you got that up and running, so that's nice. Amount they're going to be
amount.
purchasing.
Well, I want to feel like they're getting like a crazy deal there.
Okay, it's not going to be a one time though either. It's going to be a monthly thing, right? So
No,
no.
I mean, no, the
Oh,
golden
for
the
membership.
golden bundle. I want them to get like the three physical comic books and the year membership. So it's not month by month. It's
Oh,
it's the
it's just
year.
one time total. Oh, I totally missed that. This is just you're not doing a monthly with this one. Perfect.
Yeah,
Cool. All right. So what are they paying for all three for 1 year?
for 1 year. Well, like at this screamy deal is like $99
What? That's it for 1 year access?
for okay.
How
Well,
much
that's
is
the
this
thing. That's the
membership?
thing is I don't know because like I'm trying to figure out like per month
Uh-huh.
what are these people going to pay because I'm gonna throw my own people under the bus, but Mormons are notoriously tight-fisted.
How much how, how much are you wanting to make from this? Like what for the actual membership itself, without the bundle, like just the
Without the
membership alone.
bundle, like I think like at least like $10 a month is
Okay.
I think reason for me, I think that's reasonable. But I also know people are like $120.
I mean, are you? I don't know. Netflix people pay like 20 bucks a dollar or 20 bucks
That's
for
that's true.
Netflix, right? At
That's
this point.
true. But I mean,
Uh,
ideally, my writing partner and I were like, how much content, can we conceivably do on the regular? And I'm thinking like 10 pages a month, like, is pretty good. So it's like, are people willing to pay basically $1 a page? But then, like, I'm planning on doing like behind the scenes videos and drawing tutorials and PDFs and stuff. It's like I'm trying to make it feel like it's $10 of like decent value. So, like, ideally, like just the membership is like month to month is 120 bucks, or buy it for a year and it's 100.
sure. Well, okay, then if that's the case,
But
are
but
you
the
doing
golden
stuff ahead of
bundle is
time?
you get the volume, you get the 3 volumes and the membership.
Sure. Are you doing this ahead of time? Are you going to be recording content and stuff like that for the membership
Yes.
area before? Okay.
Yeah,
So there's
because
already
it's
gonna be
like
content there. Nice.
as soon as they start signing up, like we've got like some issues and stuff ready to go, which is why I need to get all this going because I've
Sure.
I've got a bunch of content I've got to create.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Um, well, that's nice. Okay, that's gonna be great.
Can I make a subscription? It just renews annually?
Subscription,
Or is,
yes. Yeah, you can do it annual subscription if you really want to. Click on that tab. You can choose the rate of which everything is set at right there where it says months. Sorry, let me get my pen out. This guy right here. Um, and then you can choose year and just type in number one right next to it. Cool. Okay. And then from there, how much do you want people to pay per payment?
per
Every year, this would
pay?
be 100,
eh,
right?
yes.
$100 a year. So just
Uh-huh.
that's what you want. And this can be adjusted later. Nothing is set in stone.
Okay. So
Set price
I
and
was gonna say, and is this one of these marketing things where I need to make it 99.95?
you know,
Is it? Like, I don't know.
97, 97.
90
$97,
the seven is the marketing number personally. Yeah, it seems like that's the
97, 90,
somehow
97,
caught on.
97. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
97, 97, 97.99. No? 97 flat?
97.99. All this can be yours.
Just imagine what you want to be shouting to people, you know? How do you This would be perfect.
Mm-hmm.
97.99.
Okay, so
Auctioneer style.
we're gonna set
Um,
that price.
yes.
Okay. I don't think I need a payment plan for if someone can't afford $97, then I don't want to take their money.
They shouldn't be buying comics.
Ding ding ding.
But I imagine that's not going to be the case. And once you have more tutorials and stuff in there, $10 is on the low end, man. I would go up.
Okay.
I would take this
Yeah,
up
because
probably
it's like
like
they have access to all the back
if
issue stuff.
imagine, okay, just imagine a parent. Obviously, you're in these footsteps, right? All right. You
Uh,
imagine a parent who wants their child to know how to draw, right? They want to
uh-huh.
learn how to be a comic enthusiast and actually make their own comics as they get older, as a hobby or even as a profession, right? Who knows? Whatever. You teach them how to do all this stuff. Yeah. Celine, nice seeing you. Have a
You
wonderful
gotta
rest of
boogie
your
out. It's nice meeting you. Hopefully I'll see you
day.
around.
Yeah, thank you, you guys. You're
I
amazing.
I
Thank you
gotta
so much.
tell you, like I have found this is money well spent.
Yeah, I can see why. All
Wow, thanks,
right.
Jet.
I'll DM you, Tyson. Thank you so much for everything.
Yeah, no worries. Have a great rest
Take
of
care.
your day.
See
Bye.
ya.
See ya. So let's see. Okay, so technically the product is set up. Now someone just buys this product, you give them access to the membership and you send them the area or send them the copies, right?
Right.
And that's it. It's going to collect their address and everything within the actual checkout process. So you don't have to
Okay.
worry about that too much.
So now that we have this, so can I
Oh
let's
yeah. Yeah, yeah,
go
definitely.
over to the funnel.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Uh Video sales letter funnel. That's where we're at. Okay. The order, it's in the, is it in the order form?
Yep. So right next to that. Oh, you actually don't even need to enter. Exit the page real quick. It's going to be
Okay.
outside of the editor there.
Okay.
Scroll down back to that order form page again. And then there's going to be a little caution symbol, that bad boy right there. Click on that.
Uh,
And that's going to take
okay.
us to the product settings here where we can attach a product. Click on add product up here.
Golden bundle. Okay.
And now it's been added. That's it. Simple as that.
Okay.
Now they
Well,
can purchase this product as of now.
whoa.
Yeah.
Or
Just
until I make, okay.